Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If the display on your LG washing machine has suddenly gone blank or stopped responding, it can make it difficult to select cycles or monitor the progress of your laundry. Display problems on an LG washing machine can occur due to temporary electronic glitches, power interruptions, or issues affecting the control panel. Sometimes the appliance may continue washing normally even though the screen remains dark. Before assuming that the display has failed, there are several simple checks you can perform. In this video, I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps that may help restore the display on your LG washing machine. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the LG washing machine is receiving power properly. Step 2. Unplug the LG washing machine to perform a complete reset. Step 3. Leave the LG washing machine disconnected for a few minutes before reconnecting it. Step 4. Examine the control panel area of the LG washing machine for moisture or unresponsive sections. Step 5. Turn the LG washing machine back on and check whether the display lights up. Step 6. Run a short cycle on the LG washing machine and confirm that the display is functioning normally.